don't know about you, but I've always found it difficult to teach students how to use search engines and research effectively. When I was in primary school and we'd book out the computer lab, I remember using search engines like Ask Jeeves to find information for a project or presentation that I was working on. I'd type in a phrase like basketball facts and hope that the top links had the information I was after. It was tricky then, and it still is now to some extent, to use search engines in a way that feels natural, whilst also having settings and filters in place that make it appropriate for children in a classroom environment. There was a study in 2022, and they found that the first result in Google has a 27% click-through rate, and the top 3 results have a 54% click-through rate. It's important then that students know how to check the validity of a search result and to find information that's reliable. There's a new tool in Microsoft Teams called Microsoft Search Coach, and it's built on top of Bing. There are no ads anywhere, and safe search is enabled. It supports different filters such as domain, file type, data range, and operators. There are search tips for students on every screen that teach students information literacy skills. And all settings, including the extremely important background image, are customizable per class, and this is also where you can enable the optional fact checker or create your own filters. When students search for information, it also includes reliability and trust ratings in the results. You'll notice that as students change the search parameters, it updates their search query. So the patterns that students learn here can be applied to other search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, but maybe not Ask Jeeves. If you want to use Search Coach, go to a class team, click Add a tab, type and click Search Coach, and it will then be accessible for you and your students. So this is Search Coach in Microsoft Teams. Check it out. It's a fantastic tool.